You're right, Anna. I better do that. You need sun protection when you're out kayaking. Right, now we can go.
Yay! I can't wait!
Oh, hello, there you are.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello!
I've got everything ready for you. I'm Andreas, by the way, and this is my dog, Cleo.
Oh, wow! She's really big.
I've got life jackets for the kids. They better put them on now.
Great, we can head off now.
I'll pick you up later at the exit after the barbecue area. Okay, got it.
Woohoo! We're going!
Lena, turn around a sec. I've got a paddle for you too. Here are your paddles. Have a nice trip. See you later.
Thanks, see you.
Oh, how beautiful! This is really fun.
Yeah, you get a whole different view of nature from in a boat.
Whew, somehow I still seem to have trouble going straight.
Lena, we'll stick to the right till we get past the bushes.
Okay, Daddy. Mummy, here comes some bushes. Look out or we'll go straight into them.
Yes, I know. Oh, good grief, now we're stuck.
Man, Mummy, what are you doing?
Are you okay back there?
We're stuck, hang on a sec. Ah, damn, now I even have to hop in the water. Lucky I have a short dress on. Alright, that did it, we're free again. Ah, help! A snake!
What?
I better get in quick. I'm sure it's just a water snake.
I want to see the snake too.
We better just keep paddling. Water snakes may be quite harmless, but snakes really aren't my thing.
So calm here.
Yeah, it's just heavenly.
Watch out for your head.
Phew, you saw that just in time, Lena.
You're gonna have to duck down in a minute, Mummy.
Not much room to get under. But I just made it through okay.
Look, there's a rest area.
Oh yeah, let's have a rest. I'm hungry. We could have a barbecue.
I didn't bring anything to barbecue, I'm afraid. I just brought sandwiches.
Oh well, never mind.
Yum.
Oh, guess what? Mummy saw a snake.
Yeah, a water snake.
Oh, cool. I wish I'd seen it. Can I have something to drink?
Sure.
Look, right now we're here, at the barbecue area. It won't be long till we reach the exit.
Oh, bummer. So the trip will be over already soon.
Yes. Maybe next time we can choose a longer trip.
Come on, let's get going. Go, Daddy, go.
Michael, what does that sign say?
What sign? Hold on tight, Lena!
Wow, it's so steep.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
We missed the exit. We'll just have to come out here. Aren't you a funny bunch? The exit was back there.
Yeah, Daddy missed it.
Oh dear, I'll help you pull the kayaks out.
Right, there we go.
And, did you have fun?
Oh, I loved it. But before we come again, you have to learn to read the signs, Daddy. Here's another great video about Hauser, yeah.